Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel HOMOEO GURU. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Exam oriented video part 53 MCQs. Motor neurons of spinal cord is unipolar cells, multipolar cells, bipolar cells and pseudo-unipolar cells. Correct answer is multipolar cells. Which type of joints is found in knee and elbow? Ball and socket joint, pivot joint, hinge joint, and none of these. Answer: hinge joint. Ovarian artery is a branch of abdominal aorta, internal iliac artery, external iliac artery, inferior mesenteric artery. Correct answer is abdominal aorta. Loss of milk while nursing without any known cause. Lac defloratum, lac caninum, both and none of these. Answer: lac caninum. The term organon was first used by Hippocrates, Aristotle, Galen, and Bacon. Answer: Aristotle. Symptomatic treatment is antipathy, allopathy, homeopathy, and isopathy. Correct answer is antipathy. Sensation as if a ball rolling in the bladder. Cannabis indica, cannabis sativa, lachesis, and all of the above. Answer: lachesis. Placental supply of glucose to the fetus by active transport, simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, and endocytosis. Answer: facilitated diffusion. The word rubric is derived from Greek, Latin, French, and German. Answer: Latin. Father of pharmacopoeia: Caspari, Valerius Cordus, Babu Rajendralal Datta, Dr. B.K. Sarkar. Correct answer is Valerius Cordus. Thank you.